property, right?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks a lot.
Oh
uncle.
no, why should you say thanks and all?
Excuse me,
Huh?
Karthik.
What, Riya?
See over there. Are you realizing who is the bridegroom? We met him in Ooty. Good morning.
Newly married?
Just married.
Okay.
We are also just married. Hi, babe.
Karthik.
Cuties.
Sir, please.
I want a room.
Sorry, sir. We give rooms only for the couple.
We are also couples.
I can't give you, sir, please.
Why?
I'm sorry.
Who are you, man?
Security.
You know who I am?
Let's go.
You know who my dad is?
Sir, leave me.
How dare you don't entertain me?
Sir,
Huh? Rascal.
please.
I won't leave you alone, man.
Sir, come, sir.
I
Sir,
will show
please.
you.
Come. Come, sir, come.
Who's that?
He's the son of a big politician in Tamil Nadu. He often comes with girls and makes troubles.
Shall we go and tell it to the girl now?
No, don't do that. Then this marriage will end up in a
It's
problem.
okay. Then also I'll go and confess it.
For what? We have come to conduct this event, the engagement function that is going to take place day after tomorrow. Thousands of people are going to attend, including VIPs.
No, Karthik. This is one bride's life. Only other girl can understand it. Don't be selfish in this. I'm going to tell this to the girl now.
Riya? Riya?
Karthik, is there a problem?
Karthik. Are you liking Varalakshmi?
I liked her.
From when?
The moment I saw her drawing the kolam.
When she putting column. Good. Very funny. Shit.
I know someone will hit at the back after allowing you. What a phenomenal explanation. I demand an explanation here. In case if this marriage happens successfully, then we will get some good name in the market, and I was willing to hear it actually.
Michael, I
You just
actually-
shut up. What is your job actually? Lot of marriages are happening here without any true facts only. Then what is the problem? Are you a social activist? I just can't believe a human being like this being a so stupid one.
Michael, when Ria got to know that the same boy she saw in Ooty, she got emotionally and then...
Ooty? Why did you went to Ooty? For what reason? Why did you went to Ooty? But again, it is none of my business, isn't it? Andrea, you're fired. That's the door. Go. Just go.
Michael,
Mike, please.
You know what? You want to get fired too?
hey Ria, Michael short-tempered. He will get school after some time, then you
No
talk.
need.
Please.
I didn't do anything wrong. Anyway, I can't continue with this job, isn't it? I'm getting married. Bye. See you. Take care.
Ria,
Bye all. I will invite you all for marriage. Please do come.
Ria. I'm sorry, Ria. I couldn't help.
It's okay. Let it be. Karthik, I need a favor from you.
Tell me.
Next week Jensen's coming to meet me. I want to buy some dresses. Can you come along with me for shopping?
What?
Only you know what color suits me, isn't it? Please?
Okay.
Hey, are you new here?
Old person.
Where is your house?
Near the Koval. Near the temple.
Are you a Tamilian?
Indian.
Over smart.
I thought of asking you to take a resignation myself.
You only decide for me to work over there, isn't it?
Then I had a different aim in my mind. Now on Friday, Jensen and his parents are coming to see you. Once we are done with all the formal meetings between the families, we can fix a date for the engagement. And I'm only planning to call very close relatives for that. A small function. But the marriage has to be grand.
Rita, pick up the phone, baby.
Hello? Sister, call from your office.
Sharon is met with an accident. Karthik was along with Sharon. They could not reach you on your mobile. They got admitted in City Hospital.
What happened, dear?
Dad, I have to hurry to the hospital. Karthik has met with an accident.
What?
Whatever it may be, you don't go out. Your marriage is already fixed. From now, you should not roam here and there.
Dad, I want to see him.
He's her colleague, right? Let her go and see him and come.
Only because of him, she is doing like this.
I'll also come with you. You go get ready.
Karthik. Sharon.
Yes, 302.
Okay.
Baby, look here. Only one more. Hi, Ria. Roni,
Where is Karthik?
this is nice. You're not looking me, no? My scooter just got slipped, that's why. Karthik already went home. I got 2 stitches on my head. Hey, this is Ronik, my fiancé.
Hello.
And this is my sweet little angel. And you know, Ria, we are getting married soon. Ria, as you think there is no special relationship between me and Karthik. We are just friends. But after observing you both behaving differently, who came from the same place, I just got some doubt. I thought there is something between you and Karthik. What will you say?
Yeah, right.
Dad, I want to see Karthik. Dad, we will go to Karthik's home now.
All this while, I was listening to what you were saying. From now on, you will have to follow everything that I am going to say. Till the time you get married, I am the one who's going to decide whom you will see and whom you will not.
Hey, don't break your grandma's finger. Take your coffee. Your uncle called me today and asked you like Varalakshmi or not.
She's a child, ma. You please tell uncle to educate her well. A good girl will definitely come as daughter-in-law to my mother.
Go away.
Why are you burning your head now thinking about that? Isn't
Very
that,
playful
Grandma?
boy.
Grandma,
Tell me, dear.
have you and Grandpa quarreled ever?
Always fight only. On one fight, we didn't talk each other for 3 days.
Then?
Then, for your grandfather, how can he not talk without me?
You smarty.
You naughty.
How did your love started, Grandma?
On that time, there is no I love you and all. Your grandfather is very naughty.
Go, man.
When we go through the way, we will see one another. We don't know why. We both love that moment very much. In Kumbakonam, we have one place to meet daily. One day we are sitting there. Your grandfather suddenly touched my hand. I was breathless and sitting.
What happened?
I couldn't breathe now.
Why?
Aren't you not understanding? Idiot. This is called as true love.
Dear, what happened? Karthi dear, still the story is there.
Hello.
Hello? Ria, I want to meet you tomorrow morning. At our church. Won't you come? Hey, Ria.
Hello.
Long time.
You too?
Is the tourism course over?
I quitted. Now pursuing fashion designing in Coimbatore.
Tourism, fashion designing, no connection at all, right?
What about you?
I am doing event management.
Management. Then what about engineering? Huh? Same pinch.
Yeah.
I have to go home. I didn't inform anyone.
Then go.
Then you don't have anything to tell me?
I had several things to say. But now I am blank.
You have to tell right things at the right time. You won't understand this.
Certain things must be understood without saying.
I don't have such a big power in me.
I'm getting a better life. Can pretend those things understood as unknown.
What did you say?
If it were to avoid me completely, then why did you follow me all these days?
Did I? Never.
At the office while I was grooming those models, when I was interacting with Sharon, why not? While I was talking to Varalakshmi at Kumbakonam, you are clearly jealous.
All these are your imagination.
There is always a childish ego inside you.
You too have the same.
You agreed on marriage with Jensen only out of anger towards me.
Karthik, please. I'm not angry over anyone.
Priya, what was in between us? Was it hatred? It was only love.
Then why did you hide everything to me? You could have conveyed it to me, right?
Was prepared to say that. At that time, uncle and auntie came to my house on deciding our marriage. I was in shock. Then on looking, you're always happy. Then why should I say my love?
No, you were wrong. I was never happy.
Then we can reveal everything to parents.
I don't have that much guts in me, Karthik.
Must possess a cut. I'm sure, on the day of fixation, what you're going to say to Jensen will be no. I can read your mind.
No, Karthik.
It was here we first met each other. It was here when we came to know that we are not just friends. Maybe it will be here we depart. This place will have a lot to say about us. Ria, I resigned my job, Ria. At the office where there was your presence for a long time. I just can't. Priya, I'm still waiting for you. You decide. We have seen before, right?
Hold this once again.
I'm Karthik.
I'm Ria. Oh.
Come on, come on. Come.
What happened? Why did you stop the boat?
Very nice.
Karthik,
I was sure that you both are capable of taking such a decision. Ria, once you have cheated me, if you are trying to do the same thing once again, it's not going to be a good ending. Abira,
Sir?
take the boat to the shore.
Okay.
Dad, I am.
Stop it. Whenever I've asked you about Karthik, you always told that there's a lot of hatred for him in you. But Karthik, I never expected you to do this again.
I always used to say you're my best friend. You should have told me a word about it.
After this incident, you will have to listen to my decisions. And you will get married to the boy that I choose for you.
No, uncle. Not possible. It was not like the previous eloping. It was decided after several thoughts. Again, we'll never depart.
In that case, whatever we have done till date is just useless. Am I right, Karthik?
Uncle, if you want, you can take her now. But she will never permit to marry another person. I have the firm belief. I'm sure.
That's very nice. But you will never be able to understand the feelings of a father, Karthik.
Uncle, what was there between us was merely an ego.
Enough. You don't have to cheat us parents anymore. Matthew?
Take this. This is the invitation for her engagement. Take a look. Read it.
Here. Dad.
You people decide about the date. You both cannot be separated. The first to understand this was me and Matthew only.
Just to bring out the love between you two, I was the one who planned this whole fake marriage thing.
Yeah.
Dad?
Have you planned all this?
You know what? Even your moms does not know. In this play, there was another person who helped us. Jensen Sakria.
Yeah, your uncle who stays in France, Mr. Sakria.
Actually, whose idea was it? Is it Dad's or Uncle's?
Both of us.
Oh my god. I'll take care of it, sir. Definitely. Okay. Sharon? This call is from the Kumbakonam Chettiar only. He wants the same girl who saved his daughter's life wanna conduct the same marriage once again there, it seems. I want them both of them back, but they are not picking my calls at all. Sharon, this is a very big opportunity for us.
Karthik, I love you.
I love you too. But Ria, I had told a lie to you. On the day at Ooty, your bangles.
I knew it.
No.
I will. Hey, wait.